This is to send an incoming and outgoing emails, this workflow manager with workflow notification mailer, which you've seen.
Yeah.
There is another workflow where developers do the configuration. They will be having their own workflow mailer application in their laptops, desktops. So there they will define the flow from which which person to which person it should go and all.
Yeah.
That flows, even I also don't know like how they configure and all. See, all the requests you can see here.
Where it is, like from which option you will hear workflow.
Here you have a workflow, right? Here you will
Yeah,
be having the responsibility of
workflow module.
workflow.
Okay.
So here the status monitor, self-service workflow. When you click this one, you can see the status.
Okay.
These all are completed.
So we haven't sent any email, right? What this actually showing completed means like
Let's see what it is.
flow.
These all looks like it's a temporary. If you see the dates also 28, 2008. This is a vision environment, right? All the dummy data are here. See, this is the flow. Start, notification, end. But the background, what they configure and all, they only should know. Like this, there will be flow will be there, like from where to where it goes. Normally, workflow means what it is, the sequence of flow, right? So they will define in the application and they deploy this code to EBS. See, he is the approver. It went to him. No response expected. You can see, you can understand clearly if you have a proper running environment. Do you have access to your EBS application?
No.
Do you have any other friends you have who can show you just for your reference?
Sorry.
Do you have any friends in your organization who works in a EBS?
No. Actually, I know the team actually.
Okay.
No. What I have to check with them?
See this workflow. If you go to the come here and status monitor, you will be having a notifications in the status monitor. If you
Okay.
click this one,
Mm-hmm.
these all are errored out, right? There
Yeah.
you will be having options of all the statuses.
Okay.
Then you can see the proper flow, how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
See, you can reassign this notification to someone else. See, normally notifications will come here. So if you want to reassign it to someone else and all also, we can do that from here.
How we can reassign?
See, here as it is a completed, I selected this one, active one, notification history. It shows here, right?
Yeah.
Usually this select option will be enabled. This is completed. That's why you are not able to see this notification to reassign. This one is there, right? If you select this one and click reassign, it will ask you to whom to assign.
Okay.
then you can assign. See what, like in some organization, like yesterday I explained you an example, right? If you want to order a laptop, it goes to your manager. If in case
Yeah, yeah.
your manager is on vacation, he
Mm,
would be assigning someone, right? Because he is approver for many process. So he would have appointed someone to approve on behalf of when he is on out of office.
mm,
Delegation will be there, right?
yeah.
So in that scenarios, we can reassign the request to that particular user who is responsible when manager is out of office.
Okay.
So you simply submit a request here and it comes to you. You submitted the request, and next level is next flow is your manager. If in case your manager is out of office, when you select this notification and reassign, select this reassign, you will be having an option to assign the person who is available. You can select that user and submit. The flow goes to him. Azar,
Yeah, yeah.
you got the point? Like when in
Yeah, yeah, I
some
got it.
scenarios we assign a reassign the notification
Mm,
because it's a time sensitive notification. It should complete before your manager comes out.
mm,
Or leave about this one. Some PO in application, some in organization, some PO is pending. User is waiting for that PO. Without that PO, they cannot do their activities. So in that scenarios, who is responsible on the person who is an out of office, we should assign the notification to them. So the notification goes to them, they will review and they will approve. They will be having an option to submit approve.
okay.
When he approves, the flow goes to the next person, his superior or his supervisor, who is his manager.
Mm. So the all the request we can see here.
Yeah, all the notifications belongs to that approval process.
Mhm.
These all are we cannot even read and learn. Only during the practice only we will be understanding that. Here also you can see this is a system mailer. Okay, leave about this one and selecting the HR one. This is the notification we received. These all are errors actually. Application level errors it is showing here. I'm selecting a reassign. Delegate your response. Transfer notification ownership. Delegate. Submit. So when you log in with your user, you will see that notification in your window. Can you log in the yours?
Sorry,
Can you log into your user?
which user?
EBS. See, it is assigned to you now. Where is that?
How it is as it?
So you are not following the class.
No, no. Actually, for me it is bit slow. Actually.
See, it's your system only, right? It's
Yeah, yeah.
slow to me. See, I shown here I am reassigning to you. So this is the request. Okay, I am selecting this one. select this option and reassign. You can open and retry. See, this is a history, action history. It was assigned to the system administrator first, then it came to Azure.
It will not work, right?
These are just a system level notifications.
Yeah. They have to change it back to sysadmin, right?
Not required. You can mark it as a close also.
Why it should be changed to sysadmin, right?
Why?
You assigned it to another user right now.
I assign to your user.
Yeah, that's what like, but that user not having a like for that user that workflow will not work, right?
See here workflow, the notifications will come to application and as well as an email. So when email is not configured, it comes to application. Where you can see, you go to workflow and notifications. All the notifications comes to you will visible here.
Okay.
So I'm selecting this one. So I'm just reassigning this notification to you. Delegate your response. So instead of sysadmin, the response goes to you. See, these are the existing screens, notifications. When I refresh, you will have one more, extra one came.
So the sysadmin also you can see that notification, right?
Yes. See, it came to you. You can simply click acknowledge. So that is gone here. And open. You can do the same, acknowledge. Few will be there, approval process. Those things you will get an approval option.
Okay.
If you want to reassign to someone, you can click reassign. Again, you will be having an option to select the user. You can select a test. So these many users are there with the test name. So I'm selecting this one and submit. If you log into the test user, that notification will be available in the test user notifications. See, these many are there, right? I'm simply reassigning this. So reassign has been disabled for this one.
Okay.
So I'm selecting this sysadmin one, reassign. It is gone from here, right? If you see. So the notification will goes to him. So he will see and he will approve or he will reject whatever is there. He will do that. The test user.
Okay.
Like that, if you want to select a multiple one, you can select all these reassign. Straight away, you can reassign them. All are gone to you in the system administrator window. When you open your user, this is your user. You have only 4. When you refresh the page, see how many you have. And it is showing from whom it came from. So sysadmin to you. So if you want to reassign these two, if you want to close this, you can simply close. Will be closed. Apply. Those will be marked as a closed. Or if you want to assign to someone, you can click and reassign. Any doubts in this?
So what notifications only this we will get?
Not that one. That is a mail configuration. In the down, you will be having another workflow. No. The above one, yeah.
This one.
Yep.
Workflow administrator.
Yeah, that one only.
Yeah, this Oracle application management step.
The above one is a
Administrator
notification
workflow.
mailer. This is a workflow administrator. What you are trying to search?
This. So you have closed it, right? You should come here, right?
Yeah.
So anything we work on these tabs, business events.
Status monitor, you can see the status of notifications. If you know anything particular workflow from where it is coming, you can select here. On that particular related workflows, you can see nothing is there. Okay, we'll try to select HR. See, these all are there. Active, activity history. See, here is the approval process. It is notified to this particular user. Those who all are completed, see, this is a start.
Okay.
If you want to resend the notification also, you can do that, retry. Submit. See, again it is notified to that particular one. Or if you want to skip this one, select skip. You can select a activity result of Y, main screen or next or previous, redo, save for later or cancel. You are canceling that notification, that particular user one is not allowed. Only activities that type notification and compare allowed to skip. Okay. We cannot cancel them. If you want to resend the notification, again you can do that, retry. You can go to that notification and show the activity history. See, it is again resent. Before one, it marked as a complete. Activity result forcefully we resend the notification. So again it came to them. You can cancel this complete workflow or you can suspend this one.
So this is owned by this user.
Yeah. Here.
So what
This is
actually we can see what actually the notification it is related regarding what information it is having. Can we see that or?
I don't think so. Mostly it goes to the particular workflow details only, because otherwise all the system administrator can see that content, right? The PO details and all. See, this is the workflow. These all the developers will develop this one, from whom to whom it goes and how it goes.
The DBA won't have any work on this.
No. So they will do the flow sequence and all.
So the workflow we can understand this workflow
Can you repeat again?
no, the DBA will understand this workflow.
No. You try to understand what it is.
No, I don't. I'm asking
Same
like
thing, because we don't know the flow, right? Only we can do is from our side, we can see the status of that workflow. Even the seeing also not required to us, because they will be having their own, interface. Only if anyone asks, we can see that where is the current status of that workflow and all, we can do that.
So we can start like that. We can do.
No, start stop also won't be here.
We can what DBA will check on this, like DBA will configure the email and check the status of the workflow. That only.
That's it. What we can do is maintain that no workflow mailer is working fine. Both incoming and outgoing is properly working or not, and all we need to focus on that, because all the higher senior positions will not log into the application and keep open to approve the notifications and all. See, if some, for example, if some PO need to approve by CEO or CFO, he cannot log into the application and sit waiting for the notifications and approve, right? So those notifications will come via email.
Okay.
In that email, you will be having options to approve, cancel, or reject, whatever. So when he click approve, it comes to the notification mailer and it goes to that queue, outbound queue or inbound queue. And from there, it goes to that notification. Like in the theoretical session, we seen that, right? When NID, there will be every notification having a one identifier. Kind of a notification number.
Okay.
So if it matches, it goes to that one and it completes the activity.
Okay.
For that, notification works. Outbound means we are sending from system. Inbound means coming to the system, right? So both incoming and outgoing should be working. That is what our job. We need to take care.
So this suspend workflow, cancel workflow also we are not supposed to do.
No.
But we'll have the access, right?
Yes.
In the environment, actually, in the project environment, we'll have the access.
Correct. You will have access to see all the notifications, where is the current activity, current status and all. And also this is a setting where you can configure either the notification style. If you select only plain text, it will go only content, only the typing content only will be there, will be sent. You got that point?
Yeah, I got it.
See, if you want a mail in just a plain text, you will get only text only.
Text, yeah.
You won't be having any HTML links and all. Plain text with HTML attachments. So again, a plain text will come as as an email, and HTML attachments will be there. Links and all. HTML mail with attachments. It means the mail contains HTML body, HTML content with attachments like a PDF or Word, whatever the documents. Like this, you can configure this. If you disable this one, no one will receive an email. Simple. So this is a global settings. Individual settings also there. So this is a system administrator user. We'll go to your user. This is your user. When you click up preferences, here you will be having options. Email style, HTML with attachment. Sometimes what happens is some users will be having a disabled option. So user will come to you. I'm not receiving an email notifications and all, he will say. So what kind of troubleshooting we do is, first thing, we'll go to the application form and we'll see either that user having an email ID or not.
So this by default it will be disabled.
No, but in some cases, if that is a disabled one, I mean, we should check all the checks why it is not sending to that particular user. See, you have a mail ID or not, you need to check. First thing, if any user comes to you that saying that notification is not coming to me, that is the one thing we need to check. And after that, we'll ask the user to share the screen and come to this preferences screen. And we should select this one as a HTML with attachments.
Okay.
Just keeping HTML also will not work. Normal notifications will come, but if any notifications are there, attachments are there in that particular notification, it will not come to him. So that is also one reason. So we should come here and set this one HTML mail with notifications and apply. Again, the notifications will start coming to him.
Okay. So it will come in application only, right? Not in the email.
Application, and if it's a mail configured, a notification mailer is up and running, then it comes to email also.
But here it is not, the mailer is not configured, right?
But mails are not coming, right?
Yeah, mailer is not configured, right?
Yeah. See, this is configured, but mails are not going to outbound or inbound, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
See, in a normal environment, what happens is when you enable that email with the notifications, HTML mail with attachments, whenever you receive a notification, it comes to your application notification window, and parallelly, it comes to your email as well.
But here, the mail is not configured, right? The workflow mailer is having issue, right?
Correct. Here we won't be getting email notifications. In a normal process, I'm saying in general. See, some business user come to you that I'm not receiving a notification emails and all. That time you should check all these things, like a user having an email ID or not, and also in his preferences, what is the settings is enabled. All these things. That is what I'm saying. You are clear, or you have any doubts?
Yeah, clear. Like any other thing we need to check on this. This business events, developer studio.
This is a developer one. Basically, they will deploy here, I remember.
Yeah, this one, what is this? Business event.
That's what I'm saying. I also don't know about this. Payment confirmation event. These all are event types which are enabled in the system.
Application. What is this actually? Oracle Application Manager is
All the
administrator. That is different.
system related configuration, the current status and all, everything you can see. If you click license manager, you can see all the products are licensed. These all are licensed in your system.
Okay.
Like during the installation, you select the products, right?
Right? So it will have all the.
Correct. Country specific functionalities. You can select this and see. These all are selected. We did not select it. This is a vision environment, right? We don't have an option to select anything. Languages. Currently, it is enabled American English. So if you want to enable anything, you can select this one and submit. After that, Again, you need to do the respective patching for that conversion that you can do. Licensed products, you can see here the report. See, if you want to check any particular product patching, what are all patches you applied for that particular product? Select here the particular product AR patch information. So all the patches are related to that particular product you can see here.
Yeah. So after applying patch, we can see here, like we can validate.
Yes. If you apply for a specific product, you can see here. And country specific functionalities again. These are shared products. It will be like a application developer apps DBA is completely shared with all the products. It's not specific to this.
Yeah, okay.
If you select this patch information, again, you will see the patch details of this particular product. Again, languages are there. Summary. These all are the product and the product short keys. Short name. Correct languages and all database character set and all you can see here in this one, in this page. This is a complete license manager. What are all the details you want to see then about the
All the
licenses
details.
and all.
Okay.
You can see here. Service fulfillment manager. It has integrated suite of images of automation enterprise, which is designed to transform your business into an EBS. This is not installed. Patching and utilities. During a patching activity, we'll discuss on this. Hosts. How many hosts are there? This is the host and this is the IP. Patching and critical activities. Purging the logs every day. Submitter. You can even submit a request also. This is a request ID.
So this is runs every day, means like same job.
I mean, yeah, it's a scheduler job. Not able to type or what?
Sorry, my system is slow. No, not today. It's having some issues.
Still not coming.
All request, all okay.
Wait, we'll see the with the concurrent program. Okay, this is the request ID. I think those all are very old request ID. Sorry, it is pending actually. Purge logs and closed system alerts. 13:13. What is the time now as per the system?
So we can stop this job in that EBS page, or just now you scheduled in the EBS page, right? Can you go to the EBS page?
See, you can schedule them permanently, like every day or every week or every month, however you want. This purging should be enabled to work a system fast and all. Ask your question, no problem.
No, here we can stop or see here it is there. There is the option to run, right?
Yeah.
Submit any request.
Hmm.
So we can stop it here. Option to stop here.
No. Stopping and all we cannot do.
Okay. Purging and closed.
It is completed even.
Okay. What actually it is doing?
All the data and all it will do
Purging
the
what
cleaning.
information? Sorry.
Logs and all it will delete. Date
Okay.
range and all. See, there will be a table
Log
if and log messages. Date up to all. So all the data and the tables it will clean up. This is the log start and stop everything. Basically, these purging, you know, right? It will improve the performances and all application performance.
Yeah, it will just freeing up the space, right?
Yeah.
So here this environment will have use more size for logs.
Correct.
EBS. So it will remove logs for DB logs.
DB logs.
DB and application, both the logs it will do.
Application server logs, we don't delete as a physical servers, I think, physical logs.
Okay. Only it will clear the purge the DB log,
FND logs and all. I mean, table level logs and all.
table level log.
See, all the data will store in the database, right?
Yeah.
In that table, that particular FND log underscore messages are there.
Oh, okay. So it will clear that in the table, not in the files and all. Like log files will be there, right?
2:30. I think we should do this before so that you will have some idea. Okay, nothing is there. Already cleanup done, right?
Hmm.
So we'll see the previous request ones.
You already submitted in the
Yeah,
EBS
yeah.
page, right?
See, this is the option it used SQL.
In selecting the
Yes.
F&A transaction index, F&A log transaction index. That's a view, right? F&A log messages. Or it is having the tables in it. F&A log transaction.
Table. So we discussed till purging critical activities. Tomorrow we can see the remaining options.
So Oracle work, the workflow is done. That is the workflow configuration, troubleshooting, and debugging. For this one, we can't do in
We can
our.
do the troubleshooting only in the environments only.
Hmm,
Troubleshooting means on that those only the workflow when it is an hold state or something, you can retry that or you can reassign to the respective person.
okay. Any errors we used to get?
Mostly emails
Here.
are not receiving, notifications are not reaching to the person,
Okay.
and notification mailer is down.
Okay. So notification mailer down means how we can.
First, we'll see that that particular configured notification mailer having a sufficient space in the system or not. We should check that one first.
So that
And
will be in the separate server, right?
yeah, separate a mailbox, not server, and separate mailbox.
Mailbox in the sense it is
Another mail account you can consider.
okay.
In your organization, you have one particular mail ID and the mailbox, right?
Yeah, yeah.
For workflow, we should have a separate email. What I mean to say, email
Email
account should
account.
be there. We use that for the configuration.
Uh,
There we need to create a inbound and outbound folders.
so, but which email? The email which I given right yesterday. That is like a common mail ID.
Correct. See, basically in the organizations, for the notification mailer, we should have a separate mail account.
Okay.
In that mail account, we should configure the two particular folders under inbox, process and discard. All the
Yeah.
process and notification will go to the process folder. All the
Um,
discard messages will go to the discard folder.
mm,
That mailbox also should be having a both incoming and outgoing option. Like
mm,
POP 3 accounts will not work there.
okay.
IMAP and SMTP. Like you are using, if you are using Office 365,
Mm,
that Office 365 should support both incoming and outgoing notifications.
okay.
You can create a separate mailbox to that particular workflow responsible workflow mailer and
Mm.
use those username and password in that notification mailer configuration.
So in server level, we can see the workflow processes running or not. We can see that.
Yes, we can do that. Yesterday, I given you one document, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Start stop also we can do from the backend.
Yeah. So, so that's it for right?
Yeah, for today, that's it. Workflow also, I would suggest if you find someone in your organization,
Mm,
if you know someone in a EBS,
mm.
just check with him
Okay, okay.
and ask him to show the sequence, like how it is going and all.
Mm. Like mail approval like that you are.
Yeah, correct.
But here in our organization, we use a common portal for applying leave. Okay,
I gave example when I was working in Oracle.
okay.
It won't be everywhere.
So that is only for your project, or in all over the Oracle it is like that.
Entire Oracle, they use EBS only
Okay,
for email, leave process and all.
okay. Okay, I will check with even after this, which will,
We started that application manager, right? We'll explain all of them.